Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So, today I am back with a new editorial, and this editorial is from Code Forces round 672, Div 2. And then today we are going to discuss the problem B of this contest. And friends, let's start. So, the problem B is rock and lever. So basically I will tell you in simple way only what the problem statement mean. The problem statement mean that you are given an integer n and n sequence of positive integers, n means n sequence of positive integer, basically n sequence array of positive integers, and the task is to calculate the number of pairs such that I and j, I is less than j, which is of course it should be, and I is I and ai and aj should be greater than or equals to ai XOR aj, where I told you that a and denotes the bitwise AND operator and XOR denotes the bitwise XOR operator. Okay, so guys, so ai and aj should be greater than ai and aj, or they can be equal also. Okay, and I should be less than aj. I should be less than j. Okay, so what is the logic for this problem is, first, if you want to do this problem very simply, I will tell you the shortest method and the shortcut method for doing this problem. Let's move on to code only. From there only I will explain you. Okay, so this is the code, and okay, let's see. For this code, first, for this problem, first we need to discuss what is built-in function, or what is built-in Chris function, CLZ basically. So this function is used to count the leading zeros of the integer. Okay, so what do you mean by leading zeros? Suppose this is an integer. Okay, 1 is an integer. So what is the binary representation of 1? 1 0 0, sorry guys, 1 0 0 0 till 32th 0. Okay, 0. Okay, so it will be till 32 basically. Okay, so this is the binary representation of 1, and what this function return, built-in CLZ function return, is the leading zeros, means how many zeros are in the front of the last number, means the last one. Okay, so leading zeros are basically, leading zeros will be 31 in this case, because in 1 there is only one integer at the front, and rest 30, there is 32 integers in the long int, means in int. So one will be the one, first one will be the one, or basically I am telling the last one, the first one. Okay, so first one will be the one, as I have told, and rest other will be the zeros. Okay, so friends, hope you all know what the built-in Chris function return. It basically return the leading zeros, means how many zeros are in front of the last one that are coming from here. Okay, so let's move on to the code now. It's the code time. Okay, so what we will do is that we will make a vector, and we will of size 40, and we will count name count, and you and we will run a loop till n as told here, and each time we will input an integer x and an integer k. What k will return? K will return the Bluetooth Bridge CLZ, basically Bluetooth CLZ function. So it will return that how many leading zeros does x have. Okay, so how many leading zeros does x have, it will return that. And what we will do is we have taken an integer as ans also, answer. This will print the how many pairs we have of ij. So ij pair can be made by we will plus ans. Basically it will be 0 at the first time, so we will add the count kth number in the count vector. So how many numbers does the count have at kth place? Okay, initially it will be having zeros, but if it will be having zeros, we will add 0, and after that we will add increment that place and we will make it 1. So we will go by step, and if we will increment how many times we will increment that number, that means that much pair we have in that number. Okay, that much pair we can get at that time. So this was the logic for this problem, and at the last we will print the answer. Okay, so this is you need to learn Bluetooth CLZ function for this, and this will be a piece of cake for you. Okay guys, so this was the simple implementation for problem B. I have done this like this only. So if you like my tutorial, if you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. I will be posting the solution for C also, so don't forget to subscribe friends. And okay, bye bye guys, meet you next time. Bye bye.